Hello and welcome back to SkillWeb. In this video, I will show you how to assign tasks in Asana. So let's have a look now. Open the Asana platform and navigate to the project or task list where you want to assign a task. Click on the task you want to assign to someone. This will open the task details. In the task details, find the assign field. It's usually located at the top or in the right-hand sidebar. Click on the Assign field and start typing the name or email address of the person you want to assign the task to. Asana will provide suggestions from your team. Select the appropriate person from the suggestions or enter their full email address. Once selected, the task will be assigned to the chosen person. So that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, give us a like and subscribe to our channel for more interesting videos. This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.